Hi, my name is Jay Matheson, and I'm an audio instructor for Midlands Technical College. We teach an audio engineering certificate program for Midlands Technical College. We are actually called Midlands Audio Institute, and basically Midlands Tech administrates this program. This is a certificate program, and we teach it for them. So to attend classes here, you register with Midlands Tech, but you come to our classrooms to actually take the classes. We offer several different classes, 8 in total actually, studio recording classes, intro to audio, beat making classes, or a class which is called digital music production and live sound production and music business. So if you're interested, you can check out our website, which is midlandsaudioinstitute.com. And when you go to midlandsaudioinstitute.com, you'll have all our classes when they're offered. It'll have a link to take you to the Midlands Tech website to register. And also, you can join our mailing list and direct email us there. Again, my name is Jay Matheson, and I'm one of the main instructors. We have several other instructors that teach some of the other classes. I teach mostly intro to audio and studio recording classes. So if you're interested in the program, you can also come out to our information session. It's at the Northeast Campus on August 25th. It's free, but you do have to register. So you can go to our website and click over to the Midlands Tech website and get in that way. It's probably the easiest thing. If you want to give us a call here at Midlands Audio Institute with questions about the program, the number here is 803-782-6910. So if you are wondering about, what you get with a certificate, obviously it's different than a 2-year degree or an academic degree. And one of the biggest advantages to certificates is it's much more cost effective. You get the certificate at the end, but the cost of the program is a small percentage of what you'd have to pay for an academic program. An academic program being something that you get a BA degree at the end, where we give you, or Midlands Tech gives you, the certificate. So again, we teach these classes for Midlands Tech, so you definitely have to register through Midlands Tech. These are mostly evening classes. There's a few weekend classes as well, and the first classes start in September, and you can find all those class dates at midlandsaudioinstitute.com. So definitely, if you want to get into the music/audio business, this is basically your best option in this area. There's really not many programs like this around, and we have had very good, results, and people like the classes, and we get a lot of our students been able to get jobs and such. One thing, with the COVID thing going on, our classes will be half sized. So, for modern day social distancing. And we'll be wearing masks in class and such like that, as you can imagine. But these classes could sell out a little more quickly, since instead of 24 being the size of the class, the maximum size will now be 12. So be aware of that. So you'll want to probably not wait to the last minute to register for the classes. So hopefully we'll see some of you guys in class, and maybe see some of you guys at the info session on August 25th.